Hello everybody, my name is Roshni and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your foundation in a minute followed by a summer makeup. As you can see, I'm using the lightest foundation, which is my wrong purchase obviously, and then this happens. Coming back to stage 0, I'm gonna start with prepping up my skin with MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus. Dabbing it all across with a beauty blender so that the primer soaks in. I have already used the moisturizer beforehand, and it's very essential to use a primer after that because it gives you a less oily face and the makeup lasts longer. Now here comes the main culprit. I'm using Lakme Absolute Mousse Foundation, which is not of my skin color tone. It's very light and I will not recommend to use even if somebody is of fair color, especially Indian girls. But yeah, I just had this foundation at that time. So I'm applying it all over the face and blending it with the blender. Only one blender that I've got here. बहुत जुगाड़ वाला काम किया है मैंने. But yeah, there's this hack, some jugaad that I'll be sharing it with you later on. Blending, 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 blending. Loving the vibe already. As you can see, I'm not buffing it because of the stickiness of the foundation. You can spot the difference already, the difference in color of my face and neck. So yeah, see how fair I've become. This is not me. Anyway, my whole point here is if you have any foundation which is not of your skin color, or especially if it's in the lighter shade, then how you can fix it with a concealer and a darker shade of brown lipstick. Started concealing around the darker spots on the face, under my eyes, highlighting the T-zone. I'm using Revlon Color Stay Concealer in the shade Light Medium. Now time to buff. Buffing with the same beauty blender. I hope you're not getting bored with my voiceover. Trying to make as natural as possible with this concealer. The mission is underway. Done with the under eyes. Here comes the game changer. For contouring, I'm using Oriflame Color Box lipstick in the shade Earthy Brown, and as you can see, the contouring my chubby face. Also, I'm quite happy with my nose, but I don't know why I started contouring my nose too. Again with the same beauty blender. Poor me. Dabbing and contouring around my forehead, my nose, which is quite in proper shape, but ठीक है, थोड़ा slim दिखा सकते हैं. My major concern on my face is my chubby cheeks and the double chin, so that is the crucial contour that I do every time. Dabbing it on the upward motion for the contour around my cheeks, and in the downward motion here. Finishing it with the loose powder using Wet n Wild What Shady Beaches bronzer. I'm bronzing a little bit on my contour. Using the orangey pink shade from the eyeshadow palette, I am blushing it on the highlighted zones and on my cheeks. Buffing it all the loose powder and giving it a finishing look. Now my most favorite part is fixing up with the same MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus, finishing the whole look, and you can see that the lighter foundation is set and I've tried to go as natural as possible. Now with the eyebrows, since I have nothing to do much on my eyebrows, I've got much of hair there, so just using the brown eyeshadow from the eyeshadow palette and with the brush, I am just filling in the empty areas. With the same Revlon Color Stay Concealer, I am just defining the shape of my eyebrows. This is a complete look that I have achieved with the makeup product so far, and with the lighter foundation, if I must say so. Now it's time for the application of the eyeshadow, concealing it on over my eyes so that the color grips in. Since it's a summery makeup that I will be doing, so picked up an orangey color from the eyeshadow palette. I don't want to talk about much of the eyeshadow palette because I don't know its brand. I just took the orangey shade from the eyeshadow palette and applied it all over the lid of my eyes, and then took the darker browner shade and applied it towards the outer corners of the eyes to give it more of depth, removing the excess makeup spilled under my eyes with a tissue paper. Now they're taking the greener shade from the eyeshadow palette, and with a thinner brush I'm just applying it under eyes. I think I just want to match with the whole summery vibes, but yeah, I also wanted to match it with my outfit here. Loving the color combination of watermelon here, that definitely gives the whole summer vibes. Done with one eye, now I'll be back with the other eye. For the eyeliner, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Gloss Boss 24-hour eyeliner in the shade black, and a little bit patience over here while I wing it down in this eyelining process.
Oh la la. Yes.
For the mascara, I'm using very basic Maybelline New York's Colossal Volume Express. It's waterproof and very basic. It's one of the most affordable products that one should begin with, as I have. Here comes the funny face again. Hey, hey, me. Taking the Maybelline New York, the City Mini Palette Urban Jungle silver eyeshadow from it, and highlighting the inner corners of my eyes and under the eyebrows to complete the whole eye look. Using the same Maybelline eyeshadow palette, I am using its silver eyeshadow as a highlighter. I think I should name this video as doing makeup under 5 products. Anyway, the work has been done, as you can see. I hope you will agree with me. And from the earlier eyeshadow, I'm taking the peachy pink lip shade that it has in it. See, I'm going so minimal on using the makeup products. And with the lipstick brush, I'm applying it on my lips. Since it's a little glossy one, I'm using the compact powder to make it more matte. Finally completing it with the eyelash. That is all, you guys. I completed this look with very minimal makeup products and also fixed my lighter shade of foundation. I hope it helped you somehow, or it will help you somehow, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.